Display size. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 6.6 inches. Oppo Reno8 T4G is 6.43 inches. Display resolution. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 1080 into 2408 pixels, with 400 ppi density. Oppo Reno8 T4G is 1080 into 2400 pixels with 409 ppi density. Display type. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is TFT LCD display. Oppo Reno8 T4G is AMOLED display. Display protector. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Oppo Reno8 T4G is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Operating system. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is Android 12, One UI 4.1. Oppo Reno8 T4G is Android 13, ColorOS 13. Chipset. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is Exynos 1280. Oppo Reno8 T4G is MediaTek Helio G99. Processor. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is octa-core processor. Oppo Reno8 T4G is octa-core processor. GPU. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is Mali G68. Oppo Reno8 T4G is Mali G57MC2. RAM. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 6GB and 8GB. Oppo Reno8 T4G is 8GB. ROM. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 128GB. Oppo Reno8 T4G is 128GB and 256GB. Front camera. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 8MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Oppo Reno8 T4G is 32MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Back camera. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 50MP wide, 5MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Oppo Reno8 T4G is 100MP wide, 2MP microscope, and 2MP depth camera, with 1080p video recordings. Connectivity. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Oppo Reno8 T4G is GSM, HSPA, and LTE. Battery. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 5000 mAh battery, with 25W fast charging. Oppo Reno8 T4G is 5000 mAh battery, with 33W fast charging. Market price. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 8GB by 128GB prices, approximate 37,000 BDT. Oppo Reno8 T4G is 8GB by 256GB price is approximate 33,000 BDT. Recommendation: Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is recommended for low-end gaming, mid-end photography, and mid-end videography. Oppo Reno8 4G is recommended for low-end gaming, mid-end photography, and low-end videography.